In the whispering valley, where the trees hummed old songs and the river sparkled with starlight, lived a little creature named Pip. Pip was a glimmer, with soft, mossy fur and eyes like tiny pools of moonlight. Every day, Pip would wander through the singing woods, collecting shiny pebbles and listening to the stories the wind told. One morning, a shimmering seed floated down from the sky. It wasn't like any seed Pip had ever seen. It glowed with a gentle, warm light. Curious, Pip planted the seed in a patch of soft earth near his home. He watered it every day with morning dew and sang it the songs the trees had taught him. He watched it with great care, wondering what magical thing would grow from such a beautiful seed. Days turned into weeks, and a small sprout pushed through the soil. It grew quickly, its leaves unfurling like tiny green hands. But it didn't grow into a flower or a tree. Instead, it grew into a single, perfect starfruit that pulsed with the same warm light as the seed. Pip reached out to touch it, and as his fingers brushed its skin, the fruit burst into a shower of tiny, harmless sparks. The sparks danced around him, each one a tiny point of light before floating up into the sky to join the real stars. Pip watched in amazement. The fruit was gone, but the sky above the whispering valley was now brighter than ever before. He felt a little sad that the fruit was gone, but then he looked up and smiled. He realized he hadn't grown a fruit to keep for himself. He had grown more light for his entire world to share. He looked for more magical seeds, hoping to plant more light. He learned that the greatest treasures are not the things we keep, but the things we give away. The joy you share with others is the truest magic of all. Thank you for watching this little story. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe for more tales from magical lands. See you next time.